Hello, this is Tim Burke here for Bonnet, Page & Stone, here again at the Hampton Academy. We're hot and heavy, you might say, into the 1930s and 1960s wing demolition right now, as well as new wall work in the 1960s wing at the top floor. Looking down through the old corridor walls here, some of that new ceiling work, sub-ceiling above, has been done already. Sprinkler lines in place, electrical going in right now, which we see straight ahead. Straight ahead of us here is one of the science rooms as we pan to the right. Second science room. Quite a few science classrooms here at Hampton Academy. Two have been completed, the addition already. Two upstairs on this floor will be done, and two directly below us. To the right, several more classrooms. To the right here, 5 total up in this general area. Some special ed area here as well. Computer room, not terribly far away to the right. And well, the back side of the existing elevator, straight ahead into one of our classrooms again, the teacher conference room further beyond that. And looking ahead of us here is the library area. Nice large library going in. Has plenty of windows here to the west side. Looking out over the main entrance, existing main entrance to the 1938 wing. Again, library and reading rooms. Reading rooms would be to the right of the corridor. And panning around to the right here, we'll have the entrance, large openings to be cut through. Floor to be filled in right here. This will be the control booth for the stage activities, as well as the opening to the elevated seating for the theater. That'll house about seating for well over 500 people. This space here will house the reading intervention teacher as well as the reading specialist. Looking out onto High Street here through the windows. And this the former classroom, so the science classroom for Mrs. Warburton's room. Soon to be the nurses area and supporting rooms, supporting areas. Again, looking off to the west here, west side of the job, onto Academy Avenue. Extensive structural work has been done, especially in and around the theater area and lobby and entrance to the theater, both floors. Walking out through the cafeteria, through the corridor here. Looking ahead at the old stage height. That old stage will be lowered down so that the same plane will walk right in from the first floor admin area, right through into the main lobby, through into the auditorium. Looking ahead here, we have the old Eastman gym, of course. Windows removed and filled in. Still some more demo to do. The old basketball equipment still there, coming down soon. New ceiling work to start soon. Wall well ahead of us here will totally come down for the entrance and the view to the stage, future stage. Auditorium here will have seating for well over 500 people with the elevated seating system. It'll be very comfortable for anybody viewing graduations, plays, and everything else we're going to do in here. Here we are still, the 1938 wing, which will be mostly used for administration, nursing, conference rooms, and guidance, as well as the main lobby. More demo to be done. A lot of it has been done. Still a little bit more to go. All windows, of course, in the entire place are being replaced. Nice new units. Straight ahead here is the old stairwell, which is days are numbered right now. All these stairs come down. Wider and more up-to-date code stairway goes in. Panning to our right, main hallway, the main lobby, of course, to the building coming in from the main entrance, the 1938 wing. Again, administration to the left and to the right, opening into the auditorium. Here we are, 1960s wing at the middle floor. There will be two science rooms, again, two large science classrooms to the left-hand side, several regular classrooms to the right. As you can see, demo is ahead of us right now. All these corridor walls come down. When we get done, they'll look rather like the addition inside. They'll have what we call borrowed lights, lighting from the corridor to the classroom. All new surfaces. What we have here, the old gang toilet rooms, which will be changed over to teaching spaces, a couple of sped offices right here, sped education rooms. Right where we are here, the old STEM room could become another classroom. Looking out, plenty of natural light in this room, of course. Looking out to the south and to the west, again onto Academy Avenue. Yep. Demo continues here this week on this floor with next week starting some new walls. Straight ahead here is the new stage area, very high ceiling for all the props that will hang down, lighting and such, so forth. Mezzanine area to the left. We'll also have an access on the right here to the rest of the addition. To the far right, we can see the new doors that separate us from the old part here to the new addition. And panning to the right a little further is the courtyard beyond those windows. Okay. Courtyard there, obviously straight through. New concrete pavers were put in earlier this year. And to the right, this is one of our corridors on the south side of the existing Eastman gym. As you can see, windows are filled in, drywalling, ceiling, slope ceiling. The bricks stay exposed here. Kind of a nice tribute there to the existing building. The old 1938 building had been built very well. Really stood the test of time. Just needed some updating for code review and such like that, but otherwise a good solid building. Some very nice architectural features as well that the architect is respecting in its design. Here's another angle looking back towards the Eastman gym, standing in what's going to be the new stage area. The entire wall in front of you comes down, that patchy brown brick, white painted block wall. This, of course, is the old east entrance to the building. Again, that'll have the Eastman gym will have that elevated theater seating, sitting over 500 people, looking all down to towards this stage area. Here's one of our connecting doors from the stage area to the new addition, right through here. Here we are again, the addition of the building, looking northerly. Straight ahead would be High Street. Panning to the right, we have the doors to the right would lead to the band room and music room areas. Through our east exit way right here. Down through main corridor. All the students are using the new lockers, as you can see. All nice bright colors. And the tile work on the walls there really help to minimize any damage, especially at the areas of the doorways, entry, exit to each classroom. Nice architectural feature, but also a good utility item as well. And to the right, there's our pair of doors, our signage right there, keeping the school staff out of the way of the construction work going on beyond. And beyond there is one of our corridors, new corridors on the side of the Eastman Gym, the south side of the Eastman Gym. All right, and signing off today, Tim Burke here, Bonnet Page and Stone. Thank you very much here at the Hampton Academy. Bye-bye.